Plant FAQs. Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum. Ferb vu on Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum. Your FAQs answered. Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Ferb vu here, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum, a hybrid that's stolen the hearts of collectors worldwide. This beauty combines the best traits of its parents, Anthurium crystallinum and Anthurium magnificum, resulting in a truly stunning foliage plant. If you're considering adding this Anthurium to your collection, you've come to the right place. I'll be addressing your most common questions about Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum, covering its care, propagation, and even comparing it to similar plants. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What's so special about Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum? This Anthurium is a showstopper. It boasts massive, velvety leaves with intricate silver veins that shimmer in the light. These leaves unfurl in a captivating display, starting with a reddish hue that matures to a stunning bronze and finally settles into a deep, luxurious green. Beyond its mesmerizing aesthetics, Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum is known for its air-purifying properties, making it a welcome addition to any indoor space. Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum versus parent plants. A quick comparison. Curious about how this hybrid compares to its parents? Here's a quick breakdown. Leaf size. Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum inherits the large leaf size of both parents, with leaves reaching up to 18 inches long. Anthurium crystallinum, known for its giant, velvety leaves that can grow up to 24 inches wide. Anthurium magnificum features moderately sized, glossy leaves that typically reach 8 to 12 inches in length. Leaf color. Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum enjoys the color play of both parents, showcasing red, bronze, and green hues throughout its growth cycle. Anthurium crystallinum, primarily known for its deep, velvety green leaves with prominent silvery veins. Anthurium magnificum typically boasts dark green, glossy leaves with a leathery texture. Venation. Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum inherits the stunning venation patterns from both parents, with prominent silver veins that add to its dramatic flair. Anthurium crystallinum, renowned for its deeply etched, silvery veins that contrast beautifully with its green foliage. Anthurium magnificum possesses less prominent veins compared to the other two. Flowering. Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum inherits the flowering potential of both parents. Expect a unique inflorescence, flower, with a spathe modified leaf surrounding a spadix stalk. Anthurium crystallinum may produce flowers with a white spathe and a yellow spadix. Anthurium magnificum can flower with a red or pink spathe and a yellow spadix. Care requirements. Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum generally thrives with moderate watering, bright indirect light, and well-draining soil. Anthurium crystallinum and Anthurium magnificum share similar care requirements, preferring consistent moisture, indirect sunlight, and a chunky, well-aerated potting mix. How to care for Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum. Thriving with a little TLC, Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum is a relatively easy plant to care for indoors. Here are some key pointers. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. East or north-facing windows are ideal placements. Water. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Allow excess water to drain freely from the drainage holes. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity levels are ideal. Consider using a humidifier or placing your plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Soil. Use a well-draining, aeroid mix that allows for proper aeration and prevents waterlogging. A mixture of orchid bark, perlite, and potting mix works well. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, at half strength every 4 to 6 weeks. Temperature. Maintain consistent temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. While propagation can be a fun way to expand your plant collection, Anthurium crystallinum x magnificum can be a bit trickier compared to some other houseplants. The two main methods for propagating this Anthurium are stem cuttings and pup division. Stem cuttings. Look for a healthy stem with at least one node, the bump where a leaf and aerial root can emerge. Make a clean cut just below the node with sterilized pruning shears. You can choose to propagate the cutting in water or a well-draining potting mix. If using water, ensure the node is submerged and place the container in bright, indirect light. Change the water regularly to prevent bacterial growth. For soil propagation, plant the cutting in a pot with a moistened aeroid mix, ensuring the node is positioned above the soil surface. Maintain consistent moisture and humidity, and provide warmth using a heat mat to encourage root development. Pup division. This method involves separating pups, baby plants, that may emerge from the base of the mother plant. Carefully remove the pup with a sharp knife, ensuring it has its own root system. Pot the pup in an appropriately sized container with a well-draining aeroid mix. Water thoroughly and provide the same care as your mature Anthurium crystallinum x Magnificum. Remember, patience is key when propagating this Anthurium. It can take several weeks or even months for roots to establish and new growth to appear.